Welcome. Let us look at Trigonometry 3, Form 4 work. Now here we are reminded of what we learned in Trigonometry 1, which we call SOHCAHTOA. So if we this point we have a Cartesian of this kind, and then we have here is O or O origin, we have A, and then we have B. We have been given that from the distance from O to B is R. We have angle theta here, and then we have this OP. So if we use SOHCAHTOA in form 2, we learn that sine theta will be opposite divided by hypotenuse. Therefore will be opposite divided by hypotenuse. And what is in the opposite? It is AB, which is equal to AB divided by hypotenuse, which is R. So if we multiply this R both sides times R, we will have that AB equal to R sine theta. So from here up to here is R sine theta. Similarly, we do with the cos theta would be equal to, using SOHCAHTOA, cos is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So cos theta equal to adjacent over the hypotenuse, that is OA divided by R. Multiply both sides by R. So we will have that OA will be equal to R cos theta. So we have the distance from here is R cos theta. Now since this one is a right angled triangle, we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find the relationship between cos and the sine. We know that using Pythagoras theorem, R square is equal to, which is the hypotenuse, will be equal to R sine theta square plus R cos theta square. So R square will be equal to R cos theta square, the square is here, plus square everything, plus R sine theta square. So I don't want to call, but the final thing we are going to have, the equation we will find out of simplifying this, we are going to get that sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So this is the equation that we wanted to derive. This is a very important equation in this trigonometry 2, which you must know that the sine theta square plus cos theta square is equal to 1. Very important. So if you know this one you must master like that. So if this is the case, it simply means that if I want sine from this equation, sine square theta will be equal to what? 1, because this one will cross the equal signs and the sign will change to be negative, cos square theta. A very important equation also to remember. And again, you should know that cos square theta, this one, will be equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Very important. Right? Now, once we have reached there, we should also know that sine theta divided by cos theta, the answer is tan theta. Very important. That sine theta is equal to, or sine theta divided by cos theta, the answer is tan theta. So simply we are saying that tan theta will be equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. Make note of that. Next one, you should know that sine theta square divided by cos theta square will be equal to tan theta square. Another very important equation to note. So